Good morning, class 3. So today we have new chapter, okay, and the chapter's name is money. You like it, isn't it? This chapter is very interesting because you like money, isn't it? Everyone likes money. Everyone needs money also. It is one of the most important thing in life, isn't it? Like if you want to buy kurkure, chocolates, aloo thukpa, isn't it? When you buy that, they will give you those things for free? No, they won't, isn't it? They also have bought, shopkeepers have also bought from someone else, isn't it? They also have to pay, so they will also charge you, okay? You have to give some money, then only they will give the things, these things, okay? So you have seen money, 10 rupees, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupee coin, isn't it? And 20 rupees, 50 rupees, you have seen that. Now let's, it is an interesting topic, isn't it? So let's learn it more deeply, okay? Okay, now first is money can be expressed both in words and figures. You know, words means number name. You have been doing from class 1, isn't it? So you can write as in words also or in numbers, figures also, okay? So here I have given you example. Number 1, 20 rupees and 50 paisa. You can write like this also in words, okay? 20, TW, you know that spellings, isn't it? Rupees, you have to write like this, RUPEES. So we are in India, so we use these words, isn't it? Rupiah and paisa. So rupees in English, rupees. So 20 rupees and 50 paisa. Now let's write that in what? Numbers, figures, okay? So how do you write? 20.50. One thing I forgot to tell you is this sign, this symbol, okay? This symbol for rupees is this one. In our times, we used to write a capital R and small s, isn't it? Small letter, rupees. Maybe some of you also, your parents also have used that, isn't it? That word, rupees, RS. Now it has changed, and now instead of that RS, you have to write that Hindi or Nepali word. It looks like that, isn't it? Raw. Raw, you write that, okay? How to write it? See? Write it like this, Nepali or Hindi raw, okay? Then you cut it this side. Upper part, you just have to cut it, it becomes your rupees, okay? Rupees 20, then there is a dot, okay? This dot separates rupees and paisa in two parts, okay? And here it can be 1,000, lakh, so many figures this side, it can be like that, 120, 1,220, 1,220, like that it can be, but this side only 2 places. I'll tell you the meaning of that two places also, okay? Why? Because 1 rupee means 100 paisa. 1 paisa, I also didn't see, okay? I also didn't see. In olden days, they used that 1 paisa. So if you gather all those paisa, 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 1 paisa, 100 times, then it will be 1 rupee. Okay, but now you don't use that, but you should know it. 1 rupee means 100 paisa. So 100 has how many 0? 2 0, isn't it? Those 2 0 means 2 places out here. So here only there will be, after dot, there will be only 2 places. Okay, so when you write in numbers, figures, you have to write like this, rupees 20.50. But when you write in numbers, don't write paisa. You can't write when you use that, what do you call that? number, figures. That time don't write paisa. If it is in words, then you have to write like 20 rupees and 50 paisa. This one, when you are writing in words. But when you are writing in numbers, figures, you are not allowed to write P for paisa out here. Okay. So rupees and paisa are separated by a dot. I told you that. And actually dot means when you write in words, dot means and, A-N-D, and. Instead of and, we put dot when writing in figures. Okay. Now write the following amounts of money in figures. Now how to write this in figures? Okay. These are in words. How to write 2 rupees? You'll write this symbol and 2, just 2. Okay. Then number B, 78 rupees. Like this. It's easy only, isn't it? Now comes the another part. 27 rupees and 14 paisa. How I told you to write? 27 rupees, this symbol you have to write, 27, then there will be a dot, then 14, okay. Don't write P out here when you write in figures, remember that. Then 64 rupees and 7 paisa. Till now we were saying 14 paisa and 50 paisa, two places. Now only 7 paisa, where to write 7 paisa? Okay, so it will be always in ones place. Here this side, then 0. I told you in the beginning only 1 rupee means 100 paisa, 100 means 2 zeros. So it should have 2 zeros. But 1 is filled up with this 7 paisa. If it is 17 paisa, then instead of 0 there will be 1 out here. It's just 7 paisa. So there is no tens place. So you have to write 0 here, then 7. Okay, so this is just an introduction of money, how to write it in words, how to write as figures, that's all. Okay, today I'll give you work tomorrow. Thank you.